So hello guys, I'm Pratham Bawali and I decode how the world really works. So today in this sections we will be talking about the pharma business model and how it is breaking. So the bottleneck is not discovery anymore, it is execution. Since we know these numbers that 10 to 15 years average development time is taking more than 2.6 billion dollars per approved drug it is taking, a 90% clinical trials fails rate, and 70% of the total R&D cost is trial only. So what now the big pharma giants are doing, they're breaking it. How they're breaking it, and this session we will be knowing. So why centralized trials are insufficient? Because the main reasons are systemic failure, site-based delays. Recruitment often takes 6 to 8 months longer than planned. Low patient diversity. Heavy bias towards urban wealthy population. High dropout rates. 30 to 40% of the patients drop out due to travel burdens. Manual data. Reliance on paper and manual entry leads to slow, expensive data. Results: slow data, biased data, and expensive data. So, decentralized clinical trials, DCTs, that we will be calling this in the whole video. How it explained this definition: the clinical trials conducted using remote technology, significantly reducing or eliminating the needs for physician trial sites. The core components are telemedicine visits, wearable and sensors, EPRO or ECEO platforms, home nursing and drug delivery, cloud-based data capture. That's how it is performed. And measure impact of decentralized clinical trials. Our industry report says that, according to the industry reports, Tufts CDS-DD Medidata shows significantly efficiency gain when moving away from site-centric models. The recruitment speed is 40% faster, as we can see. Patients retention is 20% higher. Trial cost is 15% lower. Geodiversity is significantly improved. So, in this protocol, deviations are also reduced due to automated digital data capture. So, who is already using this DCTs? They are Pfizer for like conducted the first fully virtual phase on trial during the COVID era, setting a precedent for speed. Now it is implementing hybrid DCT models in oncology to expand patient access. And IQVIA and Johnson IQVIA provides full DCT infrastructure. Johnson utilize remote monitoring and home nursing. So this DCT is already in the game and it is playing. Decentralization without AI fails. AI is the operating system now. So AI revolution is taking on a boom. So here also we will talk about that. DCTs generates massive stream of real-time patients data. Without AI, this data become noise. So it is used as signal detection in noisy data sets, predictive safety monitoring, adaptive trial designs. AI use case one. Here we go with the case one. Patient selection. AI driven patient matching. So it is like traditional recruitment is passive. AI makes it predictive. NLP or electronic health record scans unstructured doctor notes to find eligible patients. Then genomic clustering matches phenotype to genotype for precision trials. Predictive scoring identifies patients most likely to respond and complete the trial. Impact: reduce screen failure. Here with the case to adaptive trial design, in which simulating outcomes. AI enables dynamic adaptive protocols that can change my mid-flight based on data, like dynamic endpoint adjustment, refined goal based on entry analysis, Bayesian adaptive trials, statistically optimized dosing arms, early futility detection. AI predicts failure earlier. So it is a very, very, very big advantage for the whole humankind. Billion impacts, kills weak trial earlier, saves hundreds of millions. So here in case 3 we can see real-time safety, continuous monitoring, moving from periodic review to real-time surveillance. Traditionally it was periodic safety review, weekly, monthly latency was there. What AI enables here is real-time anomaly detection, predictive adverse effect events risk also, models and automate alerts. So an AI enables a lot of things so that time will be consumed less. From asset centering to platform centering, old model how it was performed, blockbuster drug focus, centralized site heavy trials, linear show pipeline, and what this brand new model take, data platform ecosystem is there, AI enabled decision engines, portfolio level optimization is there. Who capture value now? The winners. Who are the winners? Tech first CROs, those who integrate AI platforms, then infrastructure providers, companies enabling remote trials, wearable home health, data rich pharma, companies that treat data are an assets. And who are the losers here? Site dependent models, high fixed costs, how flexibility, manual operations, traditional CROs relies on headcount, a data poor pipelines, unable to leverage predictive analytics. Cost structure transformation, how cost reduced, operational expenses where automation hit hardest, site operations like fewer physician site needed, recruitment delays, faster enrollment saves burn rates, monitoring overhead, remote monitoring replace travels, then where the cost will remain, structural costs that tech cannot easily compress, that are manufacturing CMC costs remain high, regulatory compliances and standards cannot be lowered, late stage failure risk is reduced not eliminated. Here we have to see that AI can just predict the future, not in 100%. Then what regulators actually accept, their key focus areas are on, regulators are open to AI and DCTs but demands rigor, data integrity, provenance of remote data must be absolute. Then patient safety, remote monitoring cannot miss safety signals, explainability, black box AI models are rejected, algorithm must be auditable, key insights, AI must be transparent not just accurate. So regulatory binders, checklist for clinical trial documentations are regulatory compliances, secure access control, and there should be efficient eTMF archiving. What can go wrong in this new system? New risk emerges. AI doesn't remove risk, it shifts it from execution to algorithm and data. Algorithm bias. Training on biased historical data amplifies inequality. Then data piracy. Massive remote data stream creates security vulnerabilities. Over automations rely too heavily on AI for critical go or no go on decisions. So, portfolio level impact, your strategy edge. This shift isn't just about one trial. This it changes how capital is allocated across the pipeline. So here, faster decision, kill losers quickly, and higher ROI. where resources flows the winner. Project and portfolio management become decisive, or we can say it will be on the top level. What pharma will look like in 5 to 10 years. Hybrid as default. Trials will no longer be binary sites versus remotes. Hybrid model will be the standard operating procedure. AI governance. AI will not just support trials but govern the protocol, adjusting parameters in real time. There will be high precision, smaller, faster pipelines, targeting specific phenotypes, fewer blockbusters, but higher success rate will be there. So this is the future. The future of pharma is not faster science; it's smarter decisions. So that's it. So if you understand anything from this session, let comments in the videos and let's do a discussion on that.